To the principal.
They arrest her.
For
They arrest the wicked piece of...
I have patience, no, but I do that now. I mean, arrest her. I made them arrest her.
They, you know, the big people say they want justice
For
from the principal.
For
She'll be the pinning them with maca stick. Lick them in them back with a big avian.
Let us make a toast to friendship, long life and prosperity. For best creativity, most joke in the world, one Rosealee. Amen. Yeah, bad gas, but thank you. No. Amen. Them two people we are sending requests. I'm going to tell you how this live work. We're not going to run down by my 1.8. We're not going to run up and down by my 1.8. Me a beg something. Me not come here to add nobody yasso. 1.9 now. What do you want? Type I can read. Me gonna look a bit. When the drunker them come back, me turn you on back for them now left. Who that lonely is in that bumbo clot? I can't turn you on a pussy clot. The scavenger them out there. Moderator! 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 Mirrors clot! Moderator! Moderator! Ah! 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 My program! My program! Jesus Christ in our press! Jesus! Oh God! Moderator my program! Yeah. Jesus Christ! Ah! How so much drunker come from? A pitch by me one, come here dead meat. Jesus! I can't throw up too much cockroach out in that pity clutch. Jesus Christ! Nobody in that chat can surprise me with one wow. Me have until come chat. Somebody push up, make a push. Somebody else in that chat. Who am I gonna dip in that pool? 1.9K. After even them come my people from Arabacasca. Yeah, them not leave me alone, but me them stick. I saw me have to work with the program. Somebody can put me in a pool. Auntie Ruthie, how are you, mother? Somebody call me, can put me in a pool, that girl? With that bikini. Call me. Make me go in a pool, my niece. In a bikini. See me in a bikini. Somebody put me in a pool. Who want me to go in a pool in a bikini? No hot girl. Pool party bikini. Me in a bikini. Pool party bikini. No hot girl pool party bikini. Somebody better know one whale there. Let me and him go swim camp. A whale for a whale. I would that Mika. You're amazing. Mika said my shake up so like Shakira. Come to Mika. Let me shake again like Shakira. You can come at me shake, me a shake. First lady and the woman and the man when them big thank you. You send one more shake. Mika, if you send one more like that, I shake up myself. J.U. Ah! 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 Bikini! Bikini! J.U. the cute. Thank you. Color me Ann. The good girl where they when I tap. Tap no good girl. We could catch 2 people here for the coverage. Guys who want 3 more hot girl who want me them got the pool. Reservation and bookings. One thing me that but my face. Me want to got the spa, yes. It's true boss with the padlock and key to my heart. One of the more nice girl who want me them got the pool settings. One nice girl. Mr. Julian, what's up? Julian a single? Anna. Julian a single? The man when named Julian, you single, sir? You look like a nice bitch up. S.U.B. Thomas. You can't pray for me? Why me can't get a pastor, man? One bishop. Cause the man that would have fit me, I must know that me cause him old. He would have fit me. Mika with a good. Subscription. And them have what? Them have mash up my program when they can mash up this program. I am working with them and they are working with me. So nice. Who that color me? A girl from Dubai. Me tell us her husband is a rich man, you know. Cute husband is named Leachin, but she arrests her structural liquor. She don't want nobody to the pan for her back. Make sure she stay. She there here. Big up herself. Cute. Leachin. Mrs. Leachin. Why you change the name to Mrs. Leachin? I feel forced you. Mrs. Leachin. Call me. Lonely with a nice clean forever rose that me. Somebody be gonna want wheel. But no wheel. Look at me good. So somebody sent sitting look like me. Ah! Who that? Somebody sent sitting look like me. Riding solo. Jesus. Lock off on the junk with him. Somebody can send me someone look like me. Somebody send me a home, make me go so. Quick chat before 7:50. Somebody send me something, make me go so. Somebody surprise me. Surprise me, chat. Nobody can surprise me. No hot girl. From New York. France. No hot girl from France. Twin Tower. Sushi and wine. No hot girl will bathe in a milk. Straight the girl when name Renee Bravo. Big up you at Nice. Thank you. That a code. The people them come with the art meat. Thank you. Good old Shani with the art meat. The person when name Lady Lando she name, we are sure the live. Up he must depend in a Easter. Halibu Minis, what's up? How are you? Tifa. 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 Somebody be gonna want wheel. We are try. See what we can do right there and then. For Mr. Tough Enough. Upon a rocket launcher. Boy chat, if you get 78k reach a number 1. 78k to no. Somebody put me a number 1 Look at me. Somebody put me a #1 now. People who can't make up and put me a #1, please. #1. Somebody help me get #1 now. #1. Nobody can help me get #1. It's at 78K.
A few moments later.
What the blood clock still have to do with me? You and the CD come suck me. Why these people want to dictate? I don't know. And some of them now dictate how them suck out, you know. We now know. When them a lick up battle, we now know them use them tongue or a straw. Or them scoop it out with spoons and say, scoop the battle. I say, she better scoop out, she thought I was told and name it. Yeah. I didn't know them food. Remember, my stomach can't sick me a junk crow. Betty Boo's a mighty God. Business. Come so cold. Been for you. Moderator bring the girl them fast. Moderator bring the girl them fast. Moderator bring the girl them fast. Moderators bring the girl them fast. Come on for this. Rosealee, where the shop one then near? Where the shop one then near or where the shop one they far them have to go? Go and call CDA. You know normally call them. As long as you don't come from you're abusing the background and talking and not eat my rice. You call them. No question my business. Then for you say you can't recharge. So you have a good bed, I don't know what I could have beg you for. But anyway, thank you for where the send still. Much young girl. You have a good bed, you know. You have a far.
They want to drink with it, then.
Come down and question me. You know, I'm going to look across the face. Hey, girl, I'm going to unplug the light, you know. You're on me here. Alright. You have the manners. Alright. What's in my bag?
You know,
Wow.
okay.
So what is?
You know, the most.
Go put them in a freezer. I don't remember to unplug. I'll lock the door. Big pussy girl, I can't tell me if you come off of my life. Go kiss my teeth and necessary. Come suck me. Come off of this now, bitch. You broke like dog. You broke like dog. Shanta! Shanta! Come here. I'm gonna trouble her. I wanna carry her there.
The last time,
The last time,
yes.
so I mean the last time. You know it?
No, I don't know.
You know when the last time?
No, you know when the last time?
Me don't know that neither.
If you don't know me, you don't know.
Eh?
If you don't know or you think you don't know.
Today how much?
Today the 23rd.
How much days may I have?
31 probably.
You know how much days may I have?
I don't know. But this is 31.
What month do you know?
April. That means it's 30.
How many say I carry there?
That's something.
So you say I keep back school Friday?
Them did say Friday.
So why it change?
I don't know.
You didn't already?
What kind of principal gone?
To the principal.
They arrest her.
For what?
They arrest the wicked piece of...
I have patience, no, but I do that now. I make them arrest her. I make them arrest her.
They, I don't know. The big people say they want justice
For what?
from the principal.
For what?
She'll be depending them with maca stick. Lick them in them back with a big avian.
To the man justice.
Yeah.
My use catch up.
Eh?
Catch up.
Cause up on the first time when I'm cook over there. Yeah, man. And answer that. Yeah, before yesterday, my name is chicken and the chicken raw.
You know when food raw?
Yeah, we smell it.
You know what raw smell?
Yes.
You don't know such things.
Yes, I know.
No, go so.
The chicken did raw.
You can know how raw scent smell.
You know raw scent smell?
How raw scent smell?
May I ask you a question?
Me don't know.
Okay, so all you gonna know?
Mouth smell raw?
No. If I'm not cooking food raw.
How raw scent smell?
May I ask you a question if I answer my question?
What you saying? What you say?
The chicken raw.
Oh.
We go in the kitchen and smell. My father food and him a cook. And him a cut up the chicken. So me know how raw smell. Enough time.
How raw smell?
So want me to re-smell it and tell her how it smell?
Yeah.
Okay. It smell like me don't remember me don't know.
Me put this outer roll and put it in the fridge and go on. I watch Tabby on the one of your bed.